Hey there, John for Propeller. Today we're going to be talking about collaboration and inviting users into the platform to manage that traffic for internal and external users. In the portal, up in the top right corner, you'll see this little gearbox under portal settings. You're going to go to the people and teams. Now we've got several different ways that you can invite users in and grant them access to specific sites or put them in a different team. So we're going to give 4 different contacts permissions through a team environment. So we're going to call these guys ABC Construction. That's going to be the team that we're going to create. So create that team. And then I don't want them to create sites, but you can turn that on if necessary. And then we have 8 different levels of permission once we get them established to a certain project. So you can view the map only, where they're only viewing the ortho photo on the 3D model. You can give them inspect level permission, which is viewing measurements and designs that have been created by someone else, but they can't create their own calculations. Exports, creating measurements, editing designs and changing site settings, media, processing, as well as managing access and then creating workspaces. So there's a lot of flexibility in which you can provide to certain users within the portal itself. So I'm just going to give these guys export, inspect, and view map only permissions. So once we get that dialed in, we've got that team created. You see that's already been accepted. Now all of the sites that are currently on our portal, we can give them access to any of these. But right now, if someone were to be logged in, that once we get the permission, they're not going to have access to any sites. The next thing we need to do is then put people into those teams. So let's go back to the people tab. And I've got 4 emails. I'm just going to copy and paste from a document, paste it right into the email addresses page, and hit add people. Now, over on the left side, we have all of the 4 names that we added. I'm just going to select all of them because I'm going to put them in that ABC Construction team. So we click on that. And again, we don't have any specific access that we're granting to those projects. So just scroll down to the bottom of my portal and hit invite. Now they're going to get an invitation via email. They'll have to create the login. So just email and then a username and password. So that's how we create a team and then add people with varying levels of permission. That's one way to do it. The other way to go about adding multiple users into the platform is by a specific site. So let's click on this I-15 northbound widening project. And what you're going to see initially right at the top is this copy and share invite link. So what this does, it allows you to send a single link to multiple users with a specific level of permission. So here we've granted view map, inspect, process, and edit media. So what that allows the customer to do is process raw data. They can upload media files from their phone, but they can't export any data out and they can't create any measurements or edit anything. So once you've got that configured, you hit copy link. That link is going to be copied to your clipboard, then you can paste it into an email and send that out. The other option is to then also just invite those people or teams. So within here, we're going to add that ABC Construction to this particular project with that specific level of permission. We'll turn those off and then hit invite. And then they'll get that invitation. So ABC Construction, you see that in here as well. So that is your sites, access, how you set up a people and teams account with varying levels of permission. Very simple, very easy way to share your data, share access to your portal, whether that's through the mobile link or through the actual web platform itself. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and continue to map, measure, and manage with Propeller.